Hello and welcome to K1 Repair Center. Xbox One S. You can see it's connected to the HDMI port. We have replaced the HDMI port. It was damaged. It's badly damaged. However, we have replaced it. And if you connect it to the big TV, I say big TV, honestly, high resolution TV, is not working. It looks like Retimer chip is damaged. You can see it's connected. The Xbox is on. So let's take it to other. Do you need that one as well?
Yeah.
So let's do disconnected and connected to other smaller TV with a lower resolution. Let's just show you what mean. So it's on, connected. Take a few minutes to send the signal. So you can see it's working. I call it small TV honestly, but you can see it's working with the smaller one. Retimer chip, I'm very sure it's Retimer chip, however maybe I'm wrong, but let's open it and have a look. If the Retimer chip, I'm sure you know how to disassemble it, how to open it. I don't need to make a video of it, but for the Retimer chip I'm going to make a video to show you what is the Retimer chip and where is it, or display chip is someone called display chip. And we are going from there. You can see it's working in there. All right, just I'll pause the video and we go from there. I'll come back when I open the Xbox. I will come back with the other video. Just pause it. Talk to you soon. So this is the Retimer chip next to the HDMI. This is the Retimer chip for Xbox One S. If you want to go, it's there. This is the Retimer chip. I'm going to replace that one with a new one. Honestly, it's not too much to say. And is this been repaired? Honestly, it looks like it's been replaced before. Because it's got some not right, or maybe I just need to re-solder it. I'm not very sure, because there is not connected correctly. But I'm going to replace it anyway because connected and disconnected and put it back in there. I'll just replace it with a new one because the customer pay for the new one and we are going to replace it with a new one. So I'm going to pause this time the video because it's taking a little bit while to change it. When I have changed the retimer chip, I'll come back again. Talk to you soon. So we have disconnected the old. You want to go there? Yeah. This is the old one. The reason I've come back again, I want to show you. You got like a, I don't know, it's very hard to see it over there, is it? You got like a dot that is tell you the way, which way you were going to put it in there. Here is the dot and the IC, and there is the white point, dot white bit is it. It means they always need to be same position. When you got your old one out and you want to put the new one back in there, this is the give it direction which dot what is an IC is need to be there. However, I'm going to a little bit clean it that one again and replace it that the new one back in there and come back again. So let's go and have a look. I'm very sure it need to be screws go back in there before it started, but I'm going to try it anyway. So you want to come over and have a look how it's going? You want to go get things? Was HTML 4? Was HTML 3 or HTML 4? Huh?
No, it's coming.
There you go. Is mean it was retimer chip was damaged, and we have replaced it and it's working. The signal output is worked with the big telly, with a high resolution HD 4K telly. You can send it your Xbox to us with the post. We can return it back to you free of charge in the UK or anywhere in the world, and we can repair it the same day and send it back to you. If you have any question that is not was in the video to help you, please comment under below. I'm trying my best to help you to sort your problem out. Thank you for watching and hope to make a new video soon. Keep safe. K1 Repair Center.